Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money online in 2024. Whether you're looking to earn a full-time income or simply make some extra cash, this guide covers a variety of ways to get started immediately, using some of the latest methods that are proven to work in today's digital world. In this audio, we'll walk through multiple ways you can make money online today, from using AI and social media platforms to tapping into crypto, TikTok, YouTube, and more. Get ready for practical steps that you can implement right now to start seeing results. Let's dive in. Section 1. Make money with AI, ChatGPT, and beyond. Let's start with one of the most exciting ways to make money online in 2024, artificial intelligence. AI tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing how people work and earn money online, and you can capitalize on this trend. Freelance content creation. With ChatGPT, if you have a knack for writing or content creation, you can use ChatGPT to help you create articles, blog posts, social media content, and more, quickly and efficiently. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer freelance writing services, and you can use ChatGPT to speed up your workflow and provide high-quality content to clients. AI-powered businesses. Want to start a business but don't have a lot of upfront capital? AI tools make it easier than ever to start a business without needing specialized skills. You can use AI for automating tasks like customer service, chatbots, product recommendations, AI engines, and even creating personalized content for websites or email campaigns. AI content optimization services. Another opportunity is to offer AI-driven SEO optimization services. Tools like Jasper or Surfer SEO can help website owners improve their content, and you can become a consultant for these services. Whether it's optimizing blog posts or refining ad copy, AI tools are a goldmine for making money online fast. Section 2. How to make money from home. One of the most appealing aspects of making money online is that you can do it from the comfort of your home. There are countless ways to earn money, whether you're looking for something part-time or a full-time business. Remote jobs and freelancing. Websites like FlexJobs, Remote.co, and We Work Remotely offer legitimate, high-paying remote jobs across a variety of industries. Whether you're a writer, marketer, virtual assistant, or web developer, there are opportunities to earn from home without any upfront investment. Online tutoring or coaching. If you're skilled in a particular subject, you can start teaching others online. Platforms like VIPKid for teaching English, or Skillshare for creating your own courses, let you monetize your knowledge and skills. Coaching services in areas like fitness, business, or personal development are also highly in demand. Sell your own products or crafts. If you have a talent for making jewelry, crafts, or digital products, you can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. With the right marketing strategy, you can build a sustainable business from home. Section 3. Make money on TikTok. TikTok is not just for dancing videos, it's a legitimate platform for making money online. Here's how to turn your TikTok presence into a cash machine. TikTok Creator Fund. If you're creating viral content on TikTok, you can join the TikTok Creator Fund to earn money based on the views your videos get. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and to be 18 years old or older. Brand partnerships and sponsorships. As your audience grows, brands will approach you to promote their products. Once you hit a certain follower threshold, you can sign up for TikTok Creator Marketplace to connect with brands looking for influencers. You can also reach out to brands directly for sponsorships. Affiliate marketing on TikTok. Another way to make money on TikTok is through affiliate marketing. By promoting products you love, you can earn commissions on each sale generated through your referral link. TapSwap code is an effective way to track your affiliate commissions and manage them easily across platforms. Section 4. Make money on YouTube. YouTube has been a reliable income stream for creators for years, and 2024 is no different. Here's how you can start making money on YouTube today. Ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel with ads. Creating high-quality, engaging videos consistently is key to attracting viewers and maximizing your earnings. Super chats and memberships. If you do live streams, you can earn money through super chats, where viewers pay to have their messages highlighted. Additionally, you can set up a YouTube channel membership to give subscribers access to exclusive perks for a monthly fee, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Like TikTok, YouTube offers great opportunities for affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your video descriptions and earn commissions when viewers purchase through your link. You can also partner with brands for sponsored content. Section 5. Make money in crypto. Tap swap code. The world of cryptocurrency offers several innovative ways to make money online in 2024, including using tap swap code for quick transactions and managing your crypto earnings. Here's how you can get started. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown impressive growth, and while they come with volatility, they can be an excellent long-term investment. You can start investing in crypto through exchanges like Coinbase or Binance with as little as $10. Crypto trading. If you're willing to put in some effort, you can trade crypto on platforms like Binance or Kraken. By learning about market trends and strategies, you can make money through day trading or long-term investments. Using TapSwap, you can easily swap one crypto for another and take advantage of market fluctuations. Staking and yield farming. Some cryptocurrencies offer staking, where you lock up your tokens in a wallet to help support the network in exchange for passive income. Platforms like Aave or Uniswap allow you to earn interest on your crypto holdings, providing a steady stream of income without needing to actively trade. Section 6. Make money online fast without investment. If you're looking to make money online today but don't have any upfront capital, here are some methods that require little to no investment. Freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer your skills to a global audience. Whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, or virtual assistance, you can start earning within days of setting up your profile. Online surveys and microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Amazon Mechanical Turk allow you to complete small tasks, surveys, or tests for money. These aren't massive paydays, but they can be a good way to make some extra cash on the side. Sell digital products. You can create and sell digital products like printables, ebooks, or design templates on Etsy or Gumroad. Once you create the product, it's a source of passive income that requires no ongoing investment. Section 7. Make money online with PayPal. Using PayPal as a payment method makes it easy to receive money from a variety of online opportunities. Here are some ways you can make money online using PayPal. Freelancing platforms. Many freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer pay you through PayPal. It's an easy and secure way to receive payments for your work. Selling products or services. If you sell physical or digital products on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or eBay, PayPal is a common payment method. Additionally, if you offer coaching or consultations, you can receive payments directly through PayPal. Conclusion: there has never been a better time to make money online. Whether you're using AI tools like ChatGPT, capitalizing on the power of social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, or diving into the world of cryptocurrency, 2024 offers endless possibilities for financial freedom. The best part? Many of these methods require little or no investment, meaning you can start earning today. Take action on the methods we've discussed in this audio, and remember that success comes from consistent effort, learning, and adapting. Whether you're looking to make money from home, build an online business, or simply make money fast, the opportunities are out there. All you need is the drive to get started. Thank you for listening to this guide on how to make money online in 2024. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be interested. Keep hustling, keep learning, and most importantly, keep taking action. See you in the next one.